Hello and welcome back. Striker Discount is my name. In this lesson, I will show you 20 words that you are probably pronouncing incorrectly right now. And I also teach you how to pronounce them. Salut tout le monde, Striker c'est non pas. Et bien dans la vidéo, ça va montrer 20 mots que vous probablement prononcez mal en anglais. Et m'a enseigné comment vous capable de dire correctement en anglais. Oubliez aller sur la chaîne noire, abonner avec la chaîne noire, abonner à la chaîne là pour dès qu'il y a une vidéo pour pas perdre. Okay, I'm coming back. Okay, now let's learn the correct pronunciation of this word. On a l'apprendre comment vous prononcez mot ça correctement. The first word is pronunciation. Pronunciation. There is no noun in this word. I usually hear some people say pronunciation. No, it's not correct. Correctly, you must say pronunciation, like that. Pronunciation. How do you say it? Comment capable de dire? Pronunciation. There is no noun. I usually hear some people say pronunciation. Noun. No, it's not noun in this word. There is no noun in this word. Correctly, you must say pronunciation. Pronunciation. How do you say it, the second word? They say that as said. You pronounce ça comme says. I usually hear some people say says. No, it's not good. It says. Says. Remember, I say, you say, but he and she says. Ok. Troisième mot, il y a un peu de monde qui souvent prononce mal en anglais. They usually pronounce as often. Often is not wrongly, but me, I prefer to say often. Often, because the P in this word is a silent letter. It's a silent letter. Tem ça qui dans mot ça, c'est un T qui muet. Vous prononcez mot ça comme often. Often. Often do you go to church? Yes, combien de fois vous allez à l'église? How often do you go to church? But me, I go to church twice a day. Je vais à l'église 2 fois par jour. Ok, vous prononcez mot ça comme often. Often. Ok. Quatrième mot, vous prononcez comme remain. Remain. I usually hear some people say woman. No, it's not woman. Remember, we say woman for one woman and women for the plural. Okay, you pronounce ça comme women. 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 Okay. Look, the next word after women is video. 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 It is pronounced like that. Video. Okay. Moi, ça pile monde souvent prononce le mal tout. Some pronounce this word as interesting. Interesting. No, I don't say interesting. I prefer to say interesting. Interesting. This word has 3 syllables. 3 syllables. Interesting. Interesting. I recommend say interesting. Interesting. Okay. L'autre mot après interesting, the common word after interesting is restaurant. Restaurant. Breakfast. Breakfast. Okay. Here we got vegetable. 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 It's not vegetable. No. Vegetable. Vegetable. After vegetable we got receipt. Receipt. The P in this word is a silent letter. This P is a silent letter. Mosa P a son on let ki muet na mosa. It is pronounced as receipt. When you go to pay the bill and you got a receipt. Okay. After receipt we got singer. The G in this word, it's a silent letter too. It is pronounced as singer. We got finger in younger. The G is rapid, but in this word, the G is a silent letter. It is pronounced as singer. Billy Benson is a good singer. Billy Benson c'est un bon chanteur. But me also, I'm a good singer. I'm a good singer. Moi c'est un bon chanteur. Prononcer mot ça comme singer. How do you pronounce this word? Comment on peut prononcer mot ça en anglais? Some pronounce this word as plumber. No, but me, I don't say that. I prefer to say plumber. Always say plumber. Because in this word, the B is a silent letter. In fact, when you have the letter combination MB, the B is a silent letter. Là où gagne combinaison lettre MB dans un mot, puis souvent B ça li muet, li pas prononcé dans mot. Et ça fait me dire mot ça li prononcé comme plumber. Let me tell you, plumber is someone you call to fix the pipe. But if you have a leaking pipe in your home, you must call a plumber to fix it. Okay. How do you pronounce this word? I already say to you, when you have the letter combination B, the B is a silent letter. But here, I don't say climb, but I say climb. It's not climb, it's climb. Oh, let's climb the ladder. Let's climb the ladder. It is pronounced as climb. How do you say this word? I'm going to show you the correct pronunciation of this word. It is pronounced as thumb. It's not thumb. I say that when you have the letter combination MB, the B is a silent letter. Là où il y a une combinaison lettre MB dans un mot, puis souvent BA c'est une lettre qui muette qu'elle est. Moi c'est au compas. Il prononce comme thumb. This is my thumb. Yes, this is my thumb. I think you know the TH sound. It's thumb. Okay. After thumb, the common word is Wednesday. Moi, si vous regardez vidéo yo, et me fait comment vous dire jour yo en anglais, tout jour qui gagne dans semaine là, comment vous dire yo, et nous croiser avec yon jour qui gagne dans mi-temps semaine là. This day of this week is pronounced as Wednesday. There is a Z sound. We got the D in this word. It's a silent letter also. It is pronounced as Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. After Wednesday, we got comment. If you watch a video on YouTube or on Facebook, you might leave a comment. Si vous regardez une vidéo sur YouTube ou bien sur Facebook, ou si vous écoutez un commentaire, I think it is pronounced as comment. After comment, we got vehicle. Usually some people say vehicle, vehicle. No, it's vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. It is pronounced as vehicle. Okay, after vehicle we got quote. Quote. Oh, it's a beautiful quote. Oh, c'est une belle citation. It's a beautiful quote. Okay, it is pronounced as quote. It's not quote. Il va prononcer comme quote. It's quote. 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 Okay, I mean citation in French. Okay, the last one is schedule. Schedule. It's not schedule. It's not schedule or schedule. I recommend always say schedule. 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 Okay, now it's time to make a review for you. The first word was pronunciation. Pronunciation. And says. Says. Often. Often. Women. Women. And video. 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 Interesting. Interesting. And restaurant. 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 And breakfast. Breakfast. Don't say breakfast. It's breakfast. Here we got vegetable. 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 And receipt. 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 And we got singer. 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 Plumber. Plumber. And the last one is climb. Thumb. Thumb. Wednesday. Wednesday. And comet. Comet. Vehicle. Vehicle. And wood. Wood. And the last one is schedule. Schedule. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, put it on the comment below and I will talk to you there. Happy learning. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.